NatWest Reward Black Credit Card, my honest review, and user experience. Credit cards promise rewards, but which one really delivers? I spent months using the NatWest Reward Black Credit Card, and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong by assuming all reward cards are alike, but the surprising truth is NatWest Reward Black stands out for its high cashback rates on everyday spending, plus perks like travel insurance and exclusive offers. You earn 1% cash back on groceries, 0.5% on utilities, and special bonuses on selected retailers. Over time, these small percentages really add up. Applying was straightforward. Once approved, I linked the card to my NatWest account and could track rewards instantly via the app. The card also offers a generous interest-free period on purchases, which helps avoid unnecessary interest if you pay off the balance each month. The perks extend beyond cashback. The card includes travel and purchase protection, as well as discounts on select experiences and lifestyle benefits. I found these especially useful for holidays and online shopping. The downside? The annual fee is higher than basic reward cards, so it's only worth it if you maximize the cashback and benefits. Also, some users may find the foreign transaction fees a drawback when traveling abroad. In conclusion, the NatWest Reward Black Credit Card is ideal for those who spend on groceries, bills, and online shopping and want added protection and perks. With careful use, the rewards and benefits easily outweigh the costs. If you're looking for a card that truly rewards everyday spending while offering extra safety nets, this one is worth considering.